Hey campers, it's me, Wandering Gypsy Boy, and I am, just show you, it's my mic just there. It may have made a noise, sorry, I shouldn't tap my mic. Anyway, good news, I have a mic, ta-da! And it is a I have to check this out, AGPTEK. That was my vacuum cleaner. The AGPTEK Z02, which is a hang on a second, here, oh there you go, here. So I'm using the tracking. Okay, it's just face tracking. Yeah, excited. I have my mic finally. So I apologize. The last video I uploaded. Yeah, so basically I didn't have the mic at that particular time. So, and also Marika reminded me maybe I didn't have the volume sort of turned up. So as I was sat at the at Seibu Chichibu railway station, no, I had to turn the volume up. Sorry about that. And also the other one I uploaded today in Asagaya, Okinawa Nights in Asagaya, Suganami-ku, Tokyo, Oshigawa. It's a combination between Okinawa and Asagaya. Alright, so basically that's it. So this is a test of my mic. I'm excited because now I don't need to raise my voice publicly, because here in Japan, you know, you're not supposed to really sort of talk loudly, but people do. But there are certain places like cafes and coffee shops and other places where, I know, speaking too loudly is, you know, not too good. But I have my mic. Super happy. This is a test. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So I'm so pleased. And I did a test earlier. Happy. So that's it. New mic. The AGPTEK Z02 pin mic. Yeah, I mean I could have gone for the, you know, one of these like mics, the big mics that a lot of YouTubers are using today that kind of cover their face up and talk into the mic. Maybe one day I'll get one of those, but for now I'm quite happy with my pin mic. Yeah, it's cool. That's it. All right. And that's it. All right. Thank you very much, and thank you for subscribing. And I'm up to 31 now subs. Thank you very much, and please feel free to drop a comment, give me a thumbs up, and the new logo and t-shirts. A bit of merchandise is in the works. Thank you, Mariko, for designing the new logo. Excellent. Okay, having a mic has changed my whole kind of way of thinking and talking. Okay, that's it. Bye for now. See you later. Bye campers. Take it easy. Stay safe. Wear your face mask. Alright. Adios.